What's up, guys? How are you doing? Welcome to another episode of this amazing renovation that we're doing. So last episode we talked about like the official start of the demo day. So based upon like I kind of set up like a deadline, a plan. My project management skills are coming into place. So we kind of have 1 week to get this stuff done. So this is like day 2 of demo. So the first day, it was just to bring all the walls down to kind of, so we can see kind of how the spaces lay out. Now, the second day here, they are dressing some areas, as you guys can see. They've started dressing this fencing. We're going to dress the balcony area to make sure that's done. And then we are now starting to break the bathrooms. So I'm purposely not breaking the floors or removing the tiles on the floor because I'm still trying to figure out what's the best way to handle that. But we're gonna get some answers to that. But today is focused on removing all the tiles and breaking everything that needs to be broken in the bathroom. That's what's done. And a little bit of dressing. Simultaneously, we're working out the plumbing system and the electrical system. So there's a lot of multitasking coming up. I was going to come this morning. I came dressed in my workout attire to come and finish removing my sand, but they've already started dressing. So I guess I can't complete this work, but it's all good. I'll find there's many other labor intensive work to do to get in shape. So maybe in 2 months, I'll also be in good shape. Anyways, let's go inside. So this one, we're actually making this fence. We're gonna have what we call 2 coaches. So this is going to go a bit higher for more privacy since we're having an outdoor space area in. This gate also, as you guys can see, I'm taller than the gate. So we need a taller gate. That's what, and we are changing this gate completely to like a sliding gate anyways. So all that's been done. As you guys can see, look at that, that's crazy. You guys are gonna come check this out. Ta-da! Can you imagine? All of this is finally brought down. It's very cool. So as you guys can see, flooring is what's happening over there in the kitchen. All right, let's go see what's happening here. Sorry if it's loud. Check this out, guys. Woo! It's done. So essentially what's happening here is this door, we're gonna redress this, and what we did was we extended the balcony. So let me show you guys. The balcony space was like this before. So this is where the balcony ended before, right here. And I'm just like, man, since we're not doing a rooftop, we need more space in the balcony to be able to create like another outdoor hanging out area. So we extended this balcony from here all the way here. So now check this out, guys. We now have plenty of room in the balcony to have some sitting area. Maybe the kids can come and hang out and play here, cup of coffee, play music. It's gonna be great. And then we'll put like a window and a door here. So yeah, so that's what's happening inside here. They haven't started this yet, but we're gonna remove all these beautiful tiles, but it doesn't match the design. That's the hardest part of remodeling, is to take away things that look good, but it is what it is. So, showing you guys the bathroom. You guys see this? So we are already removing all the tiles. So this is what's left. So they've removed this tiles that was here before. So now it's just here. So the idea is to remove that and add all the flooring that we want to add to the bathroom. Now, I was having this discussion earlier with my project lead, which I have to verify. And the discussion is, you guys can comment on any of this video if you have your ideas, but by the time you watch this video, we would have figured it out anyways. So my own thought process is, if we want to lay hardwood floors on top of this floor, I am arguing that I don't think we need to break to reach earth level, that we just need to keep that cement, that floor that they've already leveled already. But I'm also trying to find out if you can actually lay I'm not a flooring expert, I don't know if you can actually lay hardwood on top of this. But I think regardless, at the minimum, we're going to remove all the tiles and then put the hardwood floor. So that's the debate I was having with my project lead earlier. So anyways, that's kind of how that conversation is going. But let me show you guys another bathroom. So you guys see this? This one still has all the tiles on there. Let me show you guys the one that they have removed. It looks scary. Ta-da! Woo! Look at this. So yeah, so this is what all they're removing, and this is what's gonna remain. I'm hoping this is what's also gonna remain on the ground, and then they'll kind of level it out. Woo! I was trying to do some Google search on like, can you put hardwood on the floors? And I'm trying to do more research. Some people are saying yes, some people are saying no. Anyway, if you know anything about flooring, let me know underneath this video. Yeah, that's actually generally the whole topic of today. Everything else that we're trying to do simultaneously is we're trying to install a gate to access the water tank at the top, because we're going to close that one. So that's an internal access to go to where the water tank is on the top of the building. So I don't like access from inside when it comes to maintenance. So I've managed so many apartments now that I have all these pet peeves. So whenever a technician needs to come, they don't need to come into the house to go and service the water. So we're going to create a ladder access outside to where they'll just go and service whatever they need with the tank or plumbing system. So we're getting that sorted out. We're getting another water pump to pump the water out just for construction use. But I'm still trying to decipher how we want to handle the water treatment and all of that stuff. But that one, we'll have a whole nother episode to talk more details about the infrastructural setup. But anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you've gotten a lot out of it. I am so excited about this. This brings in even more natural light. But anyways, make sure you subscribe if you like more content like this and you want to follow this project. If you enjoyed this specific video, make sure to hit the like button. Comments with your thoughts and opinion about this project. I'm happy to hear them. And by the way, we are having our project that we're kicking off soon, which is Green Paradise. Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Bayo Adio with Lightshine Investments. Are you looking to relocate, invest, have a second home, or retire in Nigeria? If so, I have an opportunity for you. I would like to introduce you to the Green Paradise community. This community is the perfect community for Africans home and abroad. This community is a beautifully master planned community in Ogun State, Nigeria, roughly 12 miles from Lagos State. The features of these communities are recreational outdoor activities like horseback riding, bike and walking trails, boat rides, things that you can just do for leisure, relax, recharge. Then we're also going to have commercial districts that will have the things that the community needs, like banks, hospitals, pharmacies, restaurants, those type of things. And then finally, we're going to have, besides of all the beautiful nature, trees, sidewalks, features that this community is going to have, we also want it to be modern and up to date. So we're going to have modern amenities like 24/7 electricity, clean water, top-notch security, and beautifully modern crafted neighborhood and houses. So if this community sounds like a place that you would love to live, we would love for you to come and join us. Call the WhatsApp underneath this video to reach out to me or one of our team members, or visit thegreenparadise.com. We're looking forward to seeing you there. Bye. All of this is helping me build experience with all the buildings that we're going to be doing soon. So we're going to be kicking off that project in a few months. So if you guys are still looking to purchase land, we would love for you to come and join our community. Plenty of people from all over the world have invested in this community. It'll be a lovely, lovely community. So check out thegreenparadise.com and we'll have all the information. Or call the number underneath this video and we'd love to give you more information about it. And lastly, guys, remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.